is we want to see access to healthcare in Africa being more improved, especially the area of service delivery. And the purpose of this training was to improve tracking of process for health in Africa, in particular in Ghana, and with a focus on the Global Fund, because there's so much money that the Global Fund is bringing in the country to address the issue of HIV, TB, and malaria, and health system strengthening. And it's important that people who are interested in health, one is there's increased awareness of the fund, then two is the impact the fund is doing, and three, how the fund can be made better. And in order to do that is the fund encourages independent watchers of the fund, or people who are interested in tracking of process for health. And that was the objective of this meeting, to kind of form a country platform of people who have skills that understand the Global Fund. They can watch the delivery of the fund, and they can give objective feedback on how the fund can be improved, but also to try to work with the country coordinating mechanism in Ghana to improve the area of service delivery. So I'm happy that we had a highly committed team, and at the end of the 2 days we have a very good action plan that is focusing on collaboration and evidence gathering to give constructive feedback to the fund. So this is exciting for all of us. Thank you.
All right, thank you.